Hello guys, today we review the Kiss Toys, that is Lancer Model B remote control car, which is manufactured by the Mirana Toys. So let us see. It is aerodynamic design, luminous headlights, and you will get 1200 mAh Li-ion rechargeable battery, and also you will get C-type USB charging cable and BIS compliant metallic looking plastic. Now you can see this. It is in like three colors. You can see, and what when you purchase this, you will get in the box Lancer model B or C car, one remote controller. You can see here, and one USB-C type cable and one user manual. Now let us see full definitions about this car and it will you can get from the miranatoys.com. Now click on this. Now you can see that miranatoys.com, that is website, and this model you can see Lancer model B remote control cars. It is this toy car, this remote car for the kids which age for like 4 plus. Now let us see. This is the car, and this car will be available in three colors like yellow, red, and blue. Now let us see. When you click on this, here you can see USB rechargeable. There is one button on off switch, and for when you press this button, it will be on, and when you press for 3 seconds, it will be off. And there is battery indicator also here. You can see this is a battery indicator and C type USB charging port you can see here. And there is inside the car this remote car 1200 mAh rechargeable battery included. And when you talking about the this remote controls, so here you can forward and this is the backward, and this is turn left, and this indication for the turn right. And this remote control have no included battery, so you need to purchase double A battery for this. And here you can see that is bright headlight and aerodynamic design and luminous headlight you can see here. And in this box you can see this is size 19.2 centimeter, 11.2 centimeter, and this thing is 10.2 centimeter. And only you will get here is a C type USB cables that mostly available, charger available today C types. And you can see here remote control racing cars. So here this car, and you can remotely control this. And let us see about this item. So sleek aerodynamic designs, vibrant luminous headlights, long lasting 1200 mAh Li-ion rechargeable battery. Enjoy longer playtime with the powerful Li-ion rechargeable battery, so your child can race for hours without constant and quick and easy C-type USB charging. Charging is bridged with the C-type USB port, ensuring your car is ready to race in no time, less waiting, more playing. And there is BIS compliant, durable metallic looking plastic made with high quality BIS compliant material. The Mirana lens is built to last, offering durable and premium look without compromising safety. Perfect for all ages. Whenever it's a birthday gift or a special treat, the banana lancer is designed for both boys and girls, making it ideal gift for young racing and enthusiasts. And let us see some technical details. You can see assembly required, no scale. Battery required, yes. There is double A, two battery will be required for the remote and battery included for already in this car. And battery is only one battery required. Material type BIS-Compliant plastics, manufacturer 4 years and up. Manufacturing recommended is 4 years and up. Manufactured by Mirana Innovation Private Limited and product weight 205 grams and item weight 331 grams. So in what is in the box you can see one Lancer model car, remote controller, USB Type C and one user manual. You can download it from here in users manuals. So in user manuals you will get some informations like you have shown. Also here you can see some like on off button, reset buttons and press for 3 seconds to switch on off, press for 15 seconds to reset, keep your B down to switch off while charging. That point is notable and charging a battery full charge indicator light green, battery charging indicator light red. And there is 60 centimeter long C-type cable provided in box and that is USB-C chargeable USB type port for large and this can be purchased from this miranatoys.com website. That is the best for remote controls car for the kids and is available in three colors light, red, blue and greens. And if you purchase these times, so also you get some discounts here. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.